Welcome to Grainline tutorial videos. Today we are going to show you how to adjust the drive belts to stop them from running on. This applies to Grainline augers driven with an underslung petrol engine. Ensure that the gearbox lever is in the neutral position and that the belt tension lever is disengaged. Start engine and move throttle to idle position. If the belts run on, switch off the engine and remove the key from the ignition. Proceed to loosen the 4 nuts holding the belt guard and remove the belt guard to expose the drive belts and pulleys. Tension the drive belts with the belt tensioning lever, then locate the C-shaped bracket, which is here just above the motor pulley. When the belts are tensioned, the gap between the bracket and belts should be between 6 to 8 millimeters. If the bracket is not in the correct position, loosen the lock nuts on the bracket and set to the correct spacing. Once this is done, ensure that the anti-flap roller is running behind the belts, then proceed to refit the belt guard and ensure the nuts are tight. Ensure that the gearbox lever is still in the neutral position and that the belt tension lever is disengaged. Start engine and move throttle to idle position. If belts continue to run on, leave engine running at idle and locate this tensioning rod. Loosen the lock nut and then use a spanner to turn the tensioner rod anti-clockwise in quarter turn increments until the belts stop running on. Once the belts have been adjusted to the correct tension, tighten the lock nut, turn off the engine, and the belt drive will now function correctly. Please be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful content.